Hello, in this video, we will instruct you to create a Gate.io account with a simple registration guide. First, you visit the link in the description box. Remember to click on the link in the description box to get exclusive offer from Gate.io. You will see this interface after clicking on the link in the description box. Next, you can use an email address or phone number to create an account here. I will use an email address. Enter the email address into the session. Next, you enter the password into the session. Remember to read this requirement carefully. You need to use letters as well as numbers with 8 characters minimum. And do not contain accounts here. Next, you select the country region of residence. I select Vietnam here. Then you tick on Accept User Agreement and Privacy Policy. Next, you click on Sign Up. Then you decode the captcha here. Next, Gate.io will send a verification code to the email you imported to create an account. You log in the email, then get the code to paste it into the session. This code, paste it into the session. Then you have just created an account at Gate.io successfully. Now we will come to Identity Verification tab. You click on Verify Now here. Next, you click on Verify Now here in the Identity Verification box. Then you will see an Identity Verification dialog box. You provide the basic information here. First is the nationality. Click on this bar and select the nationality. I select Vietnam. The country of residence, Gate.io selected here. Then you enter your full name into the session. Next, a certificate type. You click on this bar, you will see the available choices, including national ID, passport, and driver license. I select national ID here. Then you enter the ID number into the session. Click Next tab. Then you choose how to do the face recognition here, with your PC camera or with app on your mobile phone. I select the second choice, Scan Code with Gate.io app. Click on this one. Use your phone, go to App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Gate.io. Then download this application. After downloading the app, you click on Open. Then you click Launching. Next, you import email or username and password to log in your account. Decode the captcha here. Then Gate.io will send a verification code to the email you used to create an account. You need to check the email's inbox and then enter the verification code here. After that, you can enable the IDs using to protect your access here or skip it. I allow to Gates.io to use Face ID. Go to this interface of your account, then click Verify Now. You will see the identity verification interface here. These are the information that you had imported on browser. Click Next. Tick on this note. Then follow the instructions to take pictures of the front and back of the ID card. Next, you verify your face here. Then the data is submitted successfully and pending review now. You click on Confirm. And wait for Gates.io to review your identity verification. Back to the desktop here, click Finished. Then you will see the identity verification box. It is not that verified here. Next, I will instruct you to secure your account. Click on Security Settings here. Then you need to complete basic security verification here with 3 methods: Google Authenticator, email verification, and SMS verification. With Google Authenticator, you click on Turn On. Then follow 3 steps here. The first step is you install Google Authenticator on your smartphone. Go to App Store or Google Play to download the app. The second step is set up Google Authenticator by scanning this QR code. Then the third step is import the email code and Google Authenticator code here. First, I will import the email code. Click on Send here. Gates.io will send a verification code to your email. So you come to the inbox. Copy the code here. Then paste it into the session. Next, you use your smartphone. Go to App Store or Google Play, search for Google Authenticator, then download this app. After downloading the app, you click Open. Click Add a code. Click Scan a code here. Allow Google Authenticator to access your camera. Scan this QR code. Then you enter the Google Authenticator code here into the session. Next, click Confirm. Then you will see a Google Authenticator session. It is notified on here. Next, with SMS verification, you click on Turn On here. Then you enter your phone number into the session. Next, you click Send as SMS code session here. Decode capture here. Click Verify. Then Gates.io will send a verification code to your phone number. Check the message and enter the code into the session. Next, click Send an email code session here. Gates.io will send a verification code to the email you used to create account. Check the inbox and copy the code here. Paste it into the session email code. Then you open the Google Authenticator application on your phone, then enter the code here. Click confirm. Then you can see as SMS verification, it is know that your phone number. Alright, we have just instructed you to create a Gate.io account with a simple registration guide, as well as verified your identity and secure your account. You can subscribe our channel to get notification of useful videos. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.